sebexabene laba bantu yibo laba babestu ibampu.
Phinde nginamukele futhi kumlaba media sayimina futhi uMfonkeshe. Into engizokhuluma ngayo ke namhlanje indaba le ukuthi abantu bayayibuza namanje ukuthi uKhuzani wene kanjani, abanye bathi ibanjwe ngophondo Big Zulu imali eningi kanjani. Ngithi ake ngiphawuleke ngoba abanye baze bathi example bathi ijele lina 1 million views while Big Zulu ena 3 million views. Abantu bakhohle ukuthi uKhuzani lo 1 million views uwenze ngeaudio. Yabona masithi ivideo yaku YouTube iaudio kuphela akusiyo imusic video. Audio usha 1 million views la South Africa into enkulu kabi leyo. Ama music videos kuphela adlule emillionini. Athi Big Zulu angazi audio akaze ngicheck, maybe angazi uma ifikile ni 1 million, but I doubt ukuthi ifikile iaudio imali eningi ku 1 million. Kodwa imusic video vele kufanele plus ya trend. Enye abantu bathi ngoba wa trend futhi nange ehlukanisa unyaka kwamanye ama radio station ngoba wa trend kanje, wa trend ku social media, wa trend ku Twitter, ku Facebook, ku WhatsApp nawamanye ama social media apps kamanye o Instagram. But eqinisweni abantu abavotayo baningi, abantu abangekho ku social media laba o Twitter nabavotayo abalayela nje umculo. And icampaign ya Big Zulu behamba ubekhokhela ama influencer, benxusa ama influencer ukuthi anxusa abantu amvotela. uKhuzani beyanxusa ama influencer, behamba yocela abantu bemvotela, bene campaign enkulu kabi ukuthi efuna ukuvotelwa. So angazi abantu ukuthi why be expect ukuthi Big Zulu would win over uKhuzani. And igenre yamaskanda abantu baya underestimate inkulu kabi le genre, bangasi ukuthi number 1 or number 2, but I don't think i-house music kangawo because abo Black Coffee ukuthi phela ke i-competition beyithe ukuthi kulonyaka yabo. But I don't think ukuthi nje kukhona umuntu who can compete kunoma ikuphi la ukuvotwa khona no maskandi. Even if sekuthiwa kuvotwa ke sithi kuzobheka ngokuviewer, abantu ngaleyo langa bayohamba beyoviewer leyo video leyo. Mawuthi mhlambe they are using YouTube or they are using iTunes ukuthi bayo-download kakhulu abantu bamaskandi bayokwenza beyidlula nje, because whenever it's a competition maskandi or abantu bakwaZulu will always win. And uma ubhekisisa le top 3 nje ya Ukhozi FM, number 3 it has to do with amabhinqa, because uBig Zulu noma hip hop, but siyazi ukuthi istyle usilande kuphi and ama-fans akuphi. Ama-fans akhe abantu abaxubile bafana nathi abayela yonke into. Ugcamelisha number 2 samabhinqa, number 1 ke yabo. So if Khuzani was on, if nje amasama kuyavotwa nani song of the year nani abakhohle abanye abaculi if they are nominated with Khuzani, ukuthi manje uMetro awudlala umculo wamaskandi, uthi hle sibuza ukuthi why nje traditional music is not played, and why umculo njengomaskandi. Futhi I have to make a video specific ukuthi ozokhuluma ukuthi why umculo wethu ubizwa ngo traditional music when it's our music. So buye sixoxe kodwa leyo.